Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tia's Tricks, and I have finally opened my new microscope. I am so excited to use it. These small things under it, but I don't know how to use a microscope. So I told my mother, and she told me that we should first learn about the parts and then we will learn how to use it. Then we can see how these small things appear very big. So guys, let's learn about the microscope. One important point about my microscope is that it is a compound microscope. You may wonder, what is a compound microscope? There are two types of microscopes. One is a simple microscope and the other one is a compound microscope, which is this microscope. So the simple microscopes use only one lens to magnify an object, and the compound microscopes have a pair of two lenses which give high resolution to the tiny microscopic object to be magnified. So these are the two types of microscopes. See the two types of microscopes with me: simple microscopes and compound microscopes. So now you know the types of microscopes. Now let's learn the parts of a microscope. So guys, let's start learning the parts of a microscope. This part is called the eyepiece. We put our eye over it to see the tiny microscopic object kept on the stage. I will tell you about the stage later. There are two lenses that come with the compound microscope. The first lens is 10x and the other one is 15x. So you may wonder, what is the x in these two units? The x is the power of the magnification. And there are two important terms that there are in a microscope. The first one is magnification and resolution. So over here the x stands for magnification. Okay? So let's secure one eyepiece lens over here. So right now I am putting the 15x eyepiece lens. So let me just secure it on top of this. So I have secured this eyepiece lens, and this part is a hollow part which is called the body. And this part behind this piece, which is like a handle, is called the arm. We use it to hold the microscope and shift it to other places. The arm is connected to the body and the stage. So the stage is used to keep the slides in place, and these are the clips that are used to keep the slide in place so that the slide doesn't move. So you guys may be wondering how a slide looks like. So let me show you. A slide looks like this. A clear slide looks like this. This one's a bit dirty. Let me just clean it. Yeah, it looks like this. A clear slide looks like this. And over the side, when we put something to see under the microscope, there are also microscopic cover glasses which we put on the thing that we have to magnify. So let me show you the cover glasses too. It's a bit hard to open these. Yeah, I've opened it, and they look like this. They are like square, and with the sides there are also two sides which are prepared for us. Should I show you? So this is the first side which is already prepared for us. This is the dicot stem. Okay, this side has come prepared. And there's another side, this one, plant tissue. This one has also come prepared. So there are two sides which have come prepared. Okay? Guys, now let's learn about the other parts of a microscope. So this part is called the nose piece. Over here there are two objective lenses. One is 45x and the other one is 10x. Remember guys, I told you that a compound microscope has a pair of two lenses. So this is the first eyepiece lens and this one is the second objective lens. As you can see over here, there is an empty space for another objective lens, but it didn't come in the pack, so I'm not using it for now. The nose piece also rotates like this. Look guys, it's rotating. Guys, do you know what are these things? This knob is the coarse adjustment knob and this knob is the fine adjustment knob. We use the coarse adjustment knob to move this objective lens up and down to find the object, the microscopic object. And when you find the microscopic object, then you can use this fine adjustment knob to make it even more clear. So the two knobs are used for these things. So guys, these knobs are also in a pair. This is the fine adjustment knob which is in a pair and the coarse adjustment knob is also in a pair. And this part underneath is called the diaphragm. There is a door which closes and opens when we use the diaphragm. If we want to make less light enter, then we move it like this. And if we want to make more, then we put it like this. And this is the mirror used. And if you do not want to use the mirror, then there is also an illuminator with it. And did you know this mirror also has a concave side? It is bent inside a bit like a spoon. So the mirror even has a concave side and a plain side. But if there is not enough light to use it, we still have an illuminator. The illuminator helps us to put the light so that we can see the object that is on the slide. So let me put the illuminator over here. The illuminator is now put. We can turn it on and off from here. So guys, now you can see that it is on now. So I am putting it back, and now guys, this was the explanation of the parts of a microscope. In the next video, I will be showing you some interesting things under the microscope. So guys, if you want to watch it, please be patient, and while I shoot that video, please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.